Welcome to Section 1 of our Facebook Marketing 3.0 video training, Facebook Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what Facebook is all about nowadays. What business goals can you accomplish with Facebook? There's a Facebook business tool for every business goal, and shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What Facebook is all about nowadays. Everybody knows what Facebook is. Even people that do not use it know what it is. This is because Facebook has transformed from a niche social site for college students to the largest and most widely used social media platform in the world. Yet, in spite of its social media tag, Facebook has become a platform that appeals both to regular people and to businesses because it has something in store for everybody. Let's find out what it is that makes it so valuable to the online world. Facebook for social. Facebook is primarily a social media network designed specifically for social interaction. What differentiates Facebook from other social networks and what has made it so special is the plethora of easy-to-use features that allows people from all around the world to find and interact with like-minded people, even when they are separated by regional and cultural barriers. Facebook allows people to create online profiles complete with personal photos and pictures to showcase socially centered occurrences, where people can list their interests and preferences as well as post their contact information so others can get in touch with them. The site's popularity, combined with all these features, has made it the perfect platform to locate long-lost friendships and to meet new friends. Facebook is also a great venue for entertainment for people from all walks of life because they can use the platform to play games, to live chat with Facebook friends, and to share video content. Some of the most popular social features offered by the Facebook platform include photo albums that can be shared with friends and with other people, comments on other people's profiles, and Facebook groups, which are often used by families and groups of friends as hubs to share content privately. Facebook for business. Facebook is an attractive platform for businesses too, because it offers companies, organizations, and businesses of all types to reach an audience of almost 2 billion people in any given month, which is not only important for revenue, but also for building brand awareness. Facebook can easily help any type of business stand out big time, thanks to the high rates of user engagement with brands that have a presence on the platform. This because Facebook is a way more interactive platform than a business website would ever dream to be due to its very social nature. Businesses can have their own Facebook profiles by creating a Facebook page. Facebook pages are designed to allow businesses, companies, brands, organizations, artists, and other entities have a window to interact with users in the most popular social network there is. Businesses with Facebook pages can upload content to the platform the same way that any regular user would, with the added benefit of allowing businesses to promote and market their products and services with laser-sharp precision thanks to its meticulously built advertising platform. What business goals can you accomplish with Facebook? Every business has business goals to accomplish, and every business goal will vary from one business to another. While the truth is that the ultimate goal of any business is to make money, there are other important goals to accomplish before a business is able to become fully profitable. The main goal of a roofing business can be to build a presence and reach as many local clients as possible within its service area. And the main goal of a new fast food joint could be to get discovered by people from foreign areas so they can visit their restaurants on holidays, to give you a few examples. In the past, many businesses were not able to succeed because their goals were hindered by factors such as geographical location and tight budgets. Nowadays, a platform like Facebook can make an enormous difference in how a business reaches its customers, no matter where it is located or how tight its budget is. Let's take a look at what business goals you can accomplish with Facebook. Build your presence. A business needs to be present where its main audience is more likely to find it if it wants the chance to become relevant, profitable, and sustainable over time. Building a presence is now easier than ever with Facebook because the platform allows businesses to reach an active audience of 2 billion people on a monthly basis. Create awareness. People might pass in front of a business every day and still ignore what the business is all about, but Facebook can easily help businesses of all sizes create awareness about who is behind them and what they do, what these businesses offer, and what makes them different, which is crucial for getting new clients. Drive discovery. A business might be very good at informing leads and existing clients about its offers and its products, But growth is not possible if people are not engaged. Facebook allows businesses to get new clients by giving people the opportunity to explore products and services online or in person to drive customer engagement. Generate leads. Every business owner wishes its business could grow as big as any of the major players, and that is simply not possible if new customers are not found on a regular basis. Luckily, Facebook can help any business thrive by funneling people into a buying cycle that is a win-win situation for both the customers and businesses. Boost sales. A business can't grow if it doesn't make money, and the best way to keep making more money is by keeping the sales up all the time. That is why Facebook has devised ways to show your products to only the people that are interested in what you have to offer, which will boost sales both in the short and long terms. Earning loyalty. Earning the loyalty of your customers is not an easy task because competition is hard. Facebook can help you and your business build relationships that go beyond the norm, so your brand is always in your customer's mind.